Can you use Apple Pay on Amazon? No, Amazon currently does not accept Apple Pay as a direct payment method. However, there are some workarounds and alternative payment options available. Below is a detailed breakdown. 1. Apple Pay not supported on Amazon. Amazon's checkout system does not directly support Apple Pay, even though many other online platforms do. 2. Using Apple Card on Amazon. If you have an Apple Card, which is a MasterCard, you can add it to your Amazon account and use it for purchases. This allows you to earn Apple Card cashback benefits while shopping on Amazon. 3. Digital wallets not accepted. Amazon does not accept other digital wallets like Google Pay or Samsung Pay either. Payments are limited to traditional methods like cards and gift cards. 4th accepted payment methods on Amazon: credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. Amazon gift cards, Amazon Store Card, and Amazon Secured Card Affirm financing for installment payments. Checking accounts for select purchases. 5. Workaround: buy Amazon gift cards with Apple Pay. You can purchase Amazon gift cards from retailers that accept Apple Pay, such as Target, Walgreens, or Best Buy, and then use the gift card balance for your Amazon purchases. 6. Adding Apple Card to Amazon. To add your Apple Card to Amazon, go to your account on Amazon. Select your payments. Click Add a Payment Method and enter your Apple Card details as you would with any credit card. 7. Use Apple Pay for Amazon orders on external retailers. Some third-party retailers that sell through Amazon's platform may allow Apple Pay on their own websites, but this is not directly through Amazon. 8. Future possibilities. Amazon's payment methods evolve over time, so it's worth checking periodically to see if Apple Pay becomes a supported option in the future. While Apple Pay is not directly accepted on Amazon, using an Apple Card or purchasing Amazon gift cards with Apple Pay are effective alternatives.